Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing a breakthrough EMF protection device, the EmGuard from Enagic. This little powerhouse targets electromagnetic noise from 3 megahertz to 1000 megahertz. And since this is brand new in United States, people keep asking me, Natalia, how big is it? Is it portable? Does it run on batteries? Well, you are about to find out. Let's dive in and see what is inside of the box.
If you're somebody that is concerned about the impacts of EM radiation on your health and your family's health, and you want to take control of your environment, you're going to be loving this, right? So this is the EmGuard, and the EmGuard is designed to suppress targeted electromagnetic noise radiation between 3 megahertz to 1000 megahertz. All in all, to protect you and your loved ones in your home, office, and wherever you go. So today we're going to do an unboxing video. So let's do an unboxing together. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the unboxing video of the fastest growing EMF protector in the whole world called the EmGuard. As you open the box, you're going to be welcomed with a beautiful black and gold welcome card. And there you have the EmGuard. You want to lift it with 2 fingers on both sides. And what you're going to see on the side of the EmGuard is a white E logo, which lights up when it's on, and the port for the USB-C. Now, once the EmGuard is removed, what you will see is also the package box for the USB to USB-C cable, which you're going to be using later on, as well as the product manual to explain everything about the device. And it comes in multiple languages, so be sure to read the product manual thoroughly. Now, when it comes to USB-C cable, you would notice that the head of the USB-C is longer than your standard issue. So make sure you use the dedicated cable to power up your EmGuard. Now, how about the specifications of the EmGuard? Now, the most important thing is the EmGuard requires a 5V 2 to 6A output from the adapters that you'll be getting from the market. And make sure when you get an adapter, it is a single output of 5V 2A.
So the EmGuard works, as you see, very quietly in the background, protecting your family from EMF radiation day and night. Just make sure to use the special cable included in the box. So this is about prevention, right? Protecting health before problem may start. Don't wait until it's too late. And if you have questions about EMF protection or want to see more breakthrough wellness technologies, drop them in the comments and hit subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching and stay protected.